Hello my dear students. So in the last class we have seen about the different types of oxidizing agents. Yes or no beta? Like Jones reagent, Soret's reagent and Collin's reagent and CAN and CrO3 and Swern reagent, like that. All they are important for objective. Okay, good. So now in this class I am going to discuss a very important topic, that is nothing but iodoform or haloform reactions. Iodoform or haloform reactions, definitely important for theory, and also guarantee there will be a question in objective, maybe CET or maybe NEET, whatever that may be, 100%. Okay, right. So let us see first of all what is meant by iodoform or haloform reactions. Good. First of all, I am going to give you the condition. So, free alpha methyl, aldehydes and ketones. Actually, iodoform and haloform reactions are positive for aldehydes and ketones. But actually, we are discussing which topic? Alcohol topic, Nana. Then why we are discussing in alcohol? The reason is, you know very well. Number of times we have studied. Primary alcohols upon oxidation gives aldehyde. Secondary alcohols upon oxidation gives ketone. So there is a relation is there between alcohols and aldehyde and secondary alcohols and ketones. That's why here also we are discussing. I hope you understand. Again, once again it goes to be repeated in the topic aldehydes and ketones. Okay? Right. Free alpha methyl aldehydes and ketones undergo the process oxidation. Okay. Oxidation to okay, but oxidizing agents what? So upon reaction with iodine in presence of NaOH, and also we can consider upon reaction with iodine in presence of, we can take another base or salt, that is nothing but Na2CO3, and also we can say shortly that is nothing but NaOI. Its compound name is nothing but, try to remember beta, very important, sodium hypoiodide. Sodium hypoiodide. आपको रिएक्शन आना है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू नो दी रिएजेंट नेम एंड रिएजेंट फार्मूला. पहले ये तुम्हारे माइंड में फिक्स करो बेटा, देन डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू रीड द, ओके, यू आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर द इक्वेशंस. राइट. Sodium hypoiodide formula NaOCl. Sir, how that formula is coming? I will show you. I2 reacts with NaOH. Here I am going to consider I2. Undergo reaction with alkali. What is the alkali? Sodium hydroxide. Yes, from here remove one hydrogen. यहाँ से I remove कीजिए. So we are going to remove the Hi. After that NaOI means you are getting sodium hypoiodide. Okay, so I2 by NaOH, this one we can change this into NaOI. Because of upon arrow mark, they can give you any one condition. Right. Free alpha methyl aldehydes and ketones upon oxidation with sodium hypoiodide or upon oxidation with iodine in presence of alkali or upon oxidation with iodine in presence of Na2CO3. Any one condition you can write upon the arrow mark or in that equation. Good. And we are getting the product is iodoform. Which product? Iodoform. Iodoform formula is nothing but CHI3. What is the formula of iodoform? CHI3. Because of, you know very well the formula of chloroform. Chloroform formula CHCl3. Iodoform formula CHI3. Bromoform formula CHBr3. Like that, remember कीजिए बेटा. Okay, नहीं neglect करना, neglect एक चाराना % भी नहीं करना बेटा. Be careful, evergreen important topic. Good. CHI3. And it is nothing but, what is the compound name? So the product name is nothing but iodoform. And remember कर लो, iodoform is nothing but precipitate. Iodoform is nothing but precipitate. So iodoform precipitate here you are getting, that goes to be settles down in the form of, okay, now yellow PPT. Here which precipitate you are getting? Yellow precipitate. What is the yellow precipitate formula? CHI3. What is the name of yellow precipitate? Iodoform. That PPT goes to be settles down. Along with the formation of iodoform, here you are getting one more product, that is nothing but salts of carboxylic acids. What you are getting? Salts of carboxylic acids like sodium formate, sodium acetate, sodium propanoate, sodium benzoate, like that sodium salts you are getting now. Okay, now once again I am going to repeat the statement. Free alpha methyl aldehydes and ketones upon oxidation with sodium hypoiodide or iodine in presence of alkali or iodine in presence of sodium carbonate gives a yellow precipitate which goes to be settles down, that is called iodoform, and it forms another product, salts of carboxylic acid. So these two products you have to be focused, Nana. Along with these two products you are getting another two, total 4 products are here, but remaining 2 byproducts are common in all cases. I will tell you how to write. Okay na, that is easy, but try to remember. Okay, statement okay Nana. So main product is iodoform, another main product is salt of carboxylic acid. Remaining 2 products are there, I will tell you, but try to remember the statement. Good. So यही statement आपने को लिखना बेटा. Let us go for one example. Shall I show you? Good. Free alpha methyl aldehyde. Example 1. Free alpha methyl ketone. Example 2. By taking 2 different examples, I am going to be explain the iodoform reaction. Shall I start now? Good. So free alpha methyl aldehyde. First of all, सुनो पहले. H bonded to CHO. This is nothing but formaldehyde. You know very well. ऐसा ना बेटा. CHO is functional group. Functional group adjacent carbon always we have to be considered as alpha carbon. But is there any functional group adjacent carbon? So no alpha carbon means no alpha methyl group, means formaldehyde is negative for iodoform reaction. It is the question goes to be repeated, Nana. Okay, what they will ask you, among the following which compound do not exhibit iodoform test? So we have to say answer is formaldehyde. Of course it is aldehyde, but it do not contain the alpha methyl. Due to that reason it is negative for iodoform. If no alpha methyl means no alpha carbon, means you cannot form the iodoform. Because of alpha methyl, one carbon is there, that carbon should be changes into iodoform. This is the important point. Good. So formaldehyde does not exhibit the iodoform test, or we can say negative for iodoform. Let us go for acetaldehyde. Right. Example 1. What is the formula of acetaldehyde? Acetaldehyde formula is CH3 bonded to CHO, or we can say that CH3 bonded to C double bond OH. CH3 CHO or C double bond OH, Nana. So this is the formula is nothing but what? Acetaldehyde. Okay na? Acetaldehyde undergo oxidation with once again C double bond OH, functional group. Adjacent carbon is alpha. Alpha position is what? Methyl. So alpha methyl aldehyde, it is positive for iodoform test, Nana. Eta bond reaction with sodium hypoiodide, or we can say indirectly we can take this solvent I2 in presence of NaOH. Okay, listen carefully. Be fix always, हमेशा fix करना पड़ेगा number of moles. So question was repeated. In iodoform test or in haloform test, what is the ratio of iodine and alkali? Iodine and alkali. Or they can ask you, in place of I2 you can take Cl2, you can take Br2, as you wish. I2 लिए तो iodoform, Br2 लिए तो bromoform, Cl2 consider किए तो iodoform, chloroform. Like that you are getting different types of haloform compounds. I hope you understand. Good. So listen carefully. मैंने यहाँ पर क्या तो बोल रहा था मैं? Listen now. So I2 by NaOH, nothing but sodium hypoiodide, or Cl2 by NaOH, or Br2 by NaOH, any respective halogen you can take. So the question repeated in previous CET and NEET exam, what is the ratio of iodine and alkali? Iodine and alkali. नहीं तो halogen and alkali in iodoform and haloform reaction. Be fixed in your mind. Halogen should be in 3 moles and alkali should be in 4 moles. So the answer is nothing but 3:4 ratio. यहाँ पर 3, यहाँ पर 4. 3:4 ratio consider करना. This is fixed. Good. So how many moles of iodine and alkali I told you? Okay, it reacts with how many moles, Nana? 3 moles of iodine. And how many moles of alkali? It goes to be reacts with 4 moles of alkali. The alkali formula is nothing but NaOH. So entire mixture little bit upon heating. What is mean by alkali formula? Sodium hydroxide reaction with what beta? Iodine. What is the ratio? 3:4. Be fixed. Good. So alpha methyl. First of all, here we have to break the bond between alpha carbon and carbonyl carbon. So alpha carbon and that's free carbon that should be changes into iodoform CH3. And remaining, what you are getting? Salt of carboxylic acid, beta? Right. H connected to C. I am going to write as it is. C contain one oxygen. Okay, I am going to write here. From this alkali, I am going to take another oxygen. And in that alkali, which alkali? Sodium alkali. So consider one sodium here, Na. Looking like formic acid. What is the formula of formic acid? HCOOH. HCOOH. H is replaced by sodium. Sodium contains charge plus. COO contain minus. Plus minus means this is the salt. Which salt? Formic acid salt. That's why I told you salt of carboxylic acid. So what is the name of this compound? Sodium salt of formic acid, or we can say in short form this is called sodium formate. What we can say? Sodium formate. And CHI3, what I have written here, CHI3, it goes to be settles down in the form of which precipitate? Yellow precipitate. Yellow precipitate. And what is the product name beta? Iodoform. I2 लिए तो iodoform, Cl2 लिए तो CHCl3 chloroform, Br2 लिए तो CHBr3 bromoform. Like that you are getting respective precipitates. Okay, good. Right. Remaining byproducts, how to write? I will show you here. Total number of alkali in sodium 4. And here how many sodiums are there? 1. Remaining sodiums are 3. Okay, 3 moles of sodium. 3 to just 6 iodines are here. But here how many iodine atoms? 3 iodine. Remaining 3 iodines are there. Na plus combines with I minus and you are getting the byproduct 3 moles of sodium iodide. Next. Total number of oxygens here 4. And here is another one. Total oxygens are 5. But here see how many oxygens are covered? 2 oxygen. Remaining oxygens are 3. Such 3 oxygens, they goes to be removed in the form of 3 moles of water molecule. In all iodoform reactions, these 2 products are same along with the balancing manner. Okay na? Right. So समझ आएगा ना सबको? Free alpha methyl. So only alpha carbon changes into iodoform. That's why I want to show you here star carbon. So star carbon changes into iodoform. Star to star. Okay, and another carbon changes into salts of carboxylic acid, that is nothing but salts of formic acid, and in short form we have to say that sodium formate. I hope you understand. Right, let us go for free alpha methyl ketone. Shall I show the example? Good. Example 2. Free alpha methyl ketone. Ketone mein best example acetone, you know very well. Come on, try to say beta acetone formula. CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to CH3. This is nothing but ketone, or we can say acetone. Same iodine and alkali ratio of same beta. So that is nothing but 3 moles of I2 reacts with 4 moles of NaOH. Same thing upon heating condition. Okay, reaction with iodine, and in presence of what I am saying, alkali beta. Now listen carefully. This is nothing but functional group. Functional group adjacent is alpha, functional group adjacent is alpha. Both side alpha carbons are there, alpha methyl, free alpha methyl, means it is more reactive. Good. But at a time in reaction we don't need to consider both the alpha methyl group. Let us consider any one alpha. Okay, I want to consider this alpha. Both are alpha, isolation, no problem. Anyone you can consider. But I am going to consider left methyl. Free alpha methyl ketone, and this is free alpha methyl aldehyde. Both are positive for iodoform. Right. Yeah. So this alpha methyl we are going to be considered. So here bond breaking will be takes place. Such alpha methyl changes into iodoform. CHI3. As here also we are getting which precipitate? Yellow precipitate. Okay now, or we can say iodoform precipitate. Next, and you are getting salts of what? And a carboxylic acid. Listen, H connected to C, like that we have written, but see here, CH3 connected to C. C contain one oxygen, another oxygen. Okay, now we have to be considered from alkali because of this is oxidation process, and one sodium we have to be considered. Okay, na? Looking like acetic acid. CH3 is COOH, but H replaced by sodium. So we can say sodium salt of acetic acid, and short name is nothing but sodium acetate. This is looking like sodium salt of formic acid, and we are saying sodium formate. And this is looking like sodium salt of acetic acid, and here we have to be say that sodium acetate. And remaining two byproducts are fixed, nana. So that is nothing but what, nana? 3 moles of NaI and plus 3 moles of H2O. Everything will goes to be balanced. Try to fix this ratio 3:4. Again, by taking iodine, iodoform, by taking Cl2, chloroform, by taking Br2, bromoform, like that we will prepare all types of haloforms. Good. Yeah. So this is nothing but alpha carbon. It indicate with star, and here we have to be denote the star. So star carbon changes into the iodoform, and another carbon changes into the respective salt of acetic acid. Okay. Good. Now I want to ask you. I hope you understand this very well. But now I want to ask you one question, beta. Iodoform reactions are positive for which compounds and negative for which compounds? Can I show you now? Very important. Neglect nahi karna, beta. Okay, na? Good. Yeah. Iodoform और haloform reactions are iodoform और haloform reactions are positive for iodoform and haloform reactions are positive for which compounds? Category 1, free alpha methyl aldehyde sign ketones. Free alpha methyl aldehyde sign ketones. Right. First, suppose मैं यहाँ पर I am going to write some compounds. Try to say if positive, write tick. If not positive, negative. Good. So number 1 is formaldehyde. Number 1 is formaldehyde. HCHO. Next one is acetaldehyde. CH3CHO. Next one is nothing but benzaldehyde. Benzene bonded to CHO. Okay. Next one is nothing but acetone. CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to CH3. Next one is nothing but acetophenone. You know the formula of acetophenone. Benzene bonded to C double bond O CH3. Benzene bonded to C double bond O CH3. Acetophenone. And last one is nothing but I want to show you benzophenone. Benzene bonded to C double bond O bonded to benzene. So I hope maybe you don't know the name of this compound, but all the names, okay, all the compounds and their respective names we are going to be discussing aldehydes and ketone chapter. But try to remember whether these compounds are positive or not. In which test? Iodoform, or we can say haloform. Condition क्या चाहिए ना? अल्फा मिथाइल रहना पड़ेगा. Aldehyde group is there, but no alpha methyl. So this is negative for iodoform test. Aldehyde group is there, alpha methyl. So this is positive for iodoform. Yes, aldehyde group is there, but here no alpha methyl. So we have to be say that negative for iodoform. C double bond O, ketone. Here also alpha, here also alpha. It is positive. C double bond O group, one side benzene, no alpha, but one side alpha methyl group is there. This is positive. C double bond O group ketone is there, but यहाँ पर भी no alpha, यहाँ पर भी no alpha. So we can say negative for what? Iodoform test. So presence of alpha methyl, positive for iodoform, and absence of alpha methyl, they are what? Absence of alpha methyl, they are negative for what, nana? Iodoform. Like that, try to consider. Formaldehyde negative, acetaldehyde positive, benzaldehyde negative, acetone positive, acetophenone positive. एक तो भी CH3 लेना बस. And benzophenone, no alpha methyl, एक भी नहीं है यहाँ पर. Benzophenone negative. In that way, we have to decide which are positive and which are negative for iodoform test. I hope you understand. Good. Next, Nana, I want to show you, especially, actually we are discussing about what alcohol, but up to now I didn't mention even a single word about alcohol. So which alcohol is positive for iodoform test? Two conditions I want to give you. Bus. Condition 1, ethyl alcohol. Only ethyl alcohol, not all primary alcohol. Ethyl alcohol, which is in primary nature, it is positive for what, Nana? Iodoform test. So what is the formula of ethyl alcohol? The formula of ethyl alcohol is CH3CH2OH. So this is nothing but primary alcohol. Listen carefully. Ethyl alcohol is a primary alcohol. In the previous classes we have studied so many times. Ethyl alcohol is a primary alcohol. It upon oxidation gives aldehyde. 2 carbon aldehyde means you are getting acetaldehyde. That's why we are saying ethyl alcohol is positive. Good. Next one is nothing but I want to show you secondary alcohols. In primary only ethyl. Next one is nothing but what? Secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. Sir, all secondary alcohols they will exhibit iodoform. All secondary alcohols they won't exhibit the iodoform test. Again one condition. The condition is secondary alcohols having CHOH. Again it bonded to CH3. Secondary alcohols which are having bond CHOH, CH3. Such group should be there along with that secondary alcohol. So the secondary alcohols which are having like this isoform, okay, now CHOH connected to CH3, here may be ethyl, methyl, benzene, whatever that may be. Okay, na? But this group must be present. This group must be common in that secondary alcohol to exhibit the iodoform test. Good. So actually here we are discussing about alcohol na beta. Now I want to show you iodoform test for ethyl alcohol, iodoform test for secondary alcohols which are having the respective specific group. For this 2 degree, I want to show you 2 examples. This is important in this chapter. Okay, right. So let us consider number 1, iodoform test for what? Ethyl alcohol. Iodoform test for what beta? Ethyl alcohol. Right. Shall we discuss about that? Good. Iodoform test for ethyl alcohol. What is the formula? CH3CH2OH. Undergo reaction with iodoform. In iodoform reaction, how to do the reaction? On reaction with iodine in presence of alkali. Yes or no? Right. Upon reaction with iodine in presence of alkali. What is the alkali? NaOH. Again same thing upon heating. Listen carefully. Once again one hint I want to give you. Just now we have studied free alpha methyl aldehyde, acetaldehyde, free alpha methyl ketone, acetone, 2 iodoform reaction. Just now we have studied. In that reactions, in that aldehyde and ketone haloform reactions, what is the ratio of iodine and alkali? 3:4. But in case of alcohol, iodine and alkali ratio 4:6. Be fix man. और एक बार बोल रहा हूँ. In case of aldehydes and ketones, what is the ratio of iodine and alkali? 3:4, means 3 moles of I2, 4 moles of NaOH. But in the case of, okay, now maybe ethyl alcohol or secondary alcohol, the ratio of iodine and alkali is 4:6. Means 4 moles of I2 and 6 moles of NaOH. Consider karna, then only you can do the balancing. Otherwise, balancing nahi ho sakta. Good. So how many moles? 4 moles iodine, and alkali how many moles? 6 moles. So this is nothing but ethyl alcohol, or we can say ethanol. It is the example of what? Primary alcohol. We are getting what now? Iodoform CHI3. Yes, here also we are getting iodoform precipitate. Which color precipitate? Yellow precipitate. We are getting iodoform PPT. And also we are getting same products na, salts of carboxylic acid. But ek bar suno, question condition is, in ethyl alcohol how many carbons are there? 2 carbons are there. Sir, which carbon changes into iodoform? Either first carbon or second carbon. First carbon present on functional group. Adjacent carbon we have to be considered. So this carbon we have to be considered star mark. Again that star CH3 changes into the iodoform. Okay. But another carbon is there now. Another carbon changes into the salts of carboxylic acid. Another only one carbon, so we can say that sodium salt of formic acid, or we can say short name is nothing but sodium formate. Just now already I have given to you, beta. Good. Yeah, total sodiums are 6, but here how many sodiums? 1. Remaining 5 sodiums are there, so we have to be removed in the form of 5 moles of NaI. Number of oxygens are here 6. 6 plus 1 7, but here is only 2. Remaining oxygens are 5, so we have to be consider 5 moles of H2O. In case of aldehydes and ketones, 3 moles of Na, 3 moles of H2O. But in case of alcohol, 5 moles of Na and 5 moles of H2O. ये यहाँ पर fix बेटा. Good. So iodoform test for what? Ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol on reaction with what, Nana? Iodine. Ethyl alcohol on reaction with iodine in presence of what? Alkali. It gives the product is nothing but yellow PPT of iodoform, and along with that sodium salt of carboxylic acid, that is nothing but sodium formate. So by the formation of yellow PPT, we have to be confirmed that ethyl alcohol is positive for iodoform test. Okay, na? Good. Let us go for next point, Nana. Iodoform test for iodoform test for this is ethyl alcohol. Now consider secondary alcohol looking in the form of, first suppose I am going to write here CH3. Now that becomes isopropyl alcohol. Iodoform test for isopropyl alcohol. Iodoform test for isopropyl alcohol, or we can say this is a test by using secondary alcohol by using specific condition. Right. Iodoform test for isopropyl alcohol or secondary. Isopropyl alcohol formula CH3 bonded to CH and below plane connected to OH, and it connected to the group is nothing but CH3. This is nothing but what, beta? Isopropyl alcohol. Okay, na? Right. Isopropyl alcohol. Such isopropyl alcohol, again same ratio, reaction with 4 moles of iodine and also reaction with what, Nana? 6 moles of NaOH. On reaction with iodine and respective alkali, again same thing upon heating, we are getting the product is nothing but same beta yellow PPT, or we can say iodoform, that goes to be settles down. Yes, यहाँ पर I2 के place में Cl2 लिए तो chloroform, again same thing, na? And you are getting what? Sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Listen carefully. And you suppose, okay, na star carbon, it changes into the iodoform. And remaining how many carbons are there? 2 carbon, so they are changes into the CH3 bonded to COONA, nothing but sodium salt of carboxylic acid or sodium salt of acetic acid, and also we can say that the short name is nothing but sodium acetate. And remaining 2 byproducts are fixed, Nana. What are the 2 byproducts? 5 moles of NaI plus 5 moles of what, beta? H2O. Equation balancing हो गया बेटा. Good. So in that way we have to be discussed. So total how many iodoform reactions you have to be focused? One with acetaldehyde, but the ratio 3:4 iodine alkali. One more is acetone, again 3:4 iodine alkali. Next primary ethyl alcohol, ratio is nothing but 4:6 iodine alkali. Isopropyl alcohol using specific group, that is nothing but what, Nana? Again iodine ratio 4:6 alkali. Okay, na? So in aldehydes and ketones, iodine and alkali ratio 3:4, but in case of alcohols, the ratio of iodine and alkali is nothing but 4:6. Okay, but in all 4 reactions, the common product is nothing but yellow PPT of iodoform, that goes to be settles down, and another is nothing but salts of carboxylic acids, and remaining 2 products are fixed, sodium iodide and water, but वहाँ पर 3 moles, यहाँ पर 5 moles. I hope you understand, everything is clear, Nana. Good. So up to now all oxidation procedures are completed. Now I want to show you one reduction property of alcohol. Up to now we have studied only oxidation. 2 दिन से पढ़ रहे बेटा. Right. एक small reduction property मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Mostly alcohols will favor the oxidation only, but one reduction is also possible by using one special reducing agent. Can I show you बेटा? Good. Reduction of alcohols with HI in presence of red phosphorus. This is the reducing agent. Okay, Right, let us go for statement. First of all, which compound we are going to be consider? Alcohol. Alcohols upon reduction. Reduction with which compound? Hydrogen iodide. Reduction takes place in presence of what? Red phosphorus. And it gives the product is nothing but alkane. This is important for you. Alcohols upon reduction with hydrogen iodide in presence of red phosphorus, that forms the product is nothing but alkane. Good, Nana. Alcohol formula ROH. What is the formula of alcohol? ROH. Alcohols upon reaction with HI, hydrogen iodide. Let us consider 2 moles of HI. Because of hydrogen iodide, iodide changes into iodine gas, I2, though iodine chahiye. I hope you understand. So reaction goes to be takes place in presence of what beta? Red phosphorus, and you are getting the product is nothing but alkane RH. Bas, story is over. Means simply you have to remove the oxygen. ROH, oxygen ko remove karo. Removal of oxygen is what? Reduction beta. So remaining RH as it is. So we are getting the product is nothing but alkane, and यहाँ पर क्या है बेटा? Alcohol. So from here what we are removing? Oh na beta, that oxygen which is removed from the alcohol combines with 2 hydrogen and it goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule, and 2I minus changes into the product, that is nothing but what beta? Iodine. These are the byproducts. So alcohols upon reduction with HI in place of red phosphorus, that gives the product is nothing but alkane. Let us consider one example. C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol, or we can say that ethanol. Ethanol upon reduction with what? HI, nothing but hydrogen iodide, as it is moles, no mole changes, and undergo reaction with what? Red phosphorus. So RH is the product. R plus में क्या है? C2H5. It contains H, so it is nothing but what? C2H6. So your product is nothing but alkane. Its name is nothing but ethane. Remaining H2O and I2. These two byproducts are same in that no changes. Okay, na? Good, Nana. Yeah. So next one is I want to show you one more important reaction. Chloroform preparations. Chloroform preparations. Of course, by using above 4 methods also we can prepare Nana. Means by using I2,4NaOH 3:4 like that combination में भी अपन prepare कर सकते हैं, whatever that may be. But यहाँ पर chloroform preparations using bleaching powder. Using bleaching powder. This is a topic only for objective. Using bleaching powder, now we are going to prepare the chloroform. Okay, important topic beta. In that I am going to discuss first of all. Tell me first of all what is the formula of bleaching powder? Bleaching powder formula is CaOCl2. It upon reaction with water, the formula is nothing but H2O. Bleaching powder on reaction with water, okay, now it goes to be changes into the product is calcium hydroxide. And one more is nothing but, so we are going to get the gas, that is nothing but Cl2. So how many products you are getting here? 2 products. Now by using the 2 products we are going to prepare what, Nana? Chloroform by using alcohol and by using secondary alcohol. Just what I told you, na? Right, Nana. In the A case. Yeah, A case from what? Ethanol. From ethanol. Or we can say from ethyl alcohol. So they will ask you. So question is, ethanol on reaction with bleaching powder. Ethanol on reaction with bleaching powder and followed by reaction with alkali, it gives the product is nothing but what? Chloroform. Right, I am going to show you. Ethanol, what is the formula? CH3 bonded to CH2, CH2 bonded to OH. Ethanol. Okay, na? Right. Yes, this is nothing but ethanol. Ethanol upon oxidation. Primary alcohol. Primary alcohols upon oxidation gives aldehyde. So 2 carbon aldehyde. This is nothing but acetaldehyde. 2 carbon aldehyde is nothing but acetaldehyde. and H combines with O, and that goes to be removed in the form of H2O. So what is the compound name? Ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Ethanol upon oxidation gives acetaldehyde. Primary alcohols upon oxidation gives acetaldehyde. This is step 1 here. Next, second step. We have to be consider the same compound, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde upon reaction with Cl2, how many moles? 3 moles of chlorine. Because of it alpha place, how many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogens are there. Such 3 alpha hydrogens combines with 3 Cl and goes to be removed in the form of 3 moles of HCl. So such all 3 alpha hydrogens replaced by Cl. So answer is nothing but CCl3 bonded to CHO. This product you know very well, DDT preparation में use करते हैं. This is called chloral. What is the name of chloral? Looking like acetaldehyde, beta. This is acetaldehyde. This is a trichloroacetaldehyde. Trichloroacetaldehyde is called chloral. A very very important topic. Right. This is your step number 2. Now that I am going to be consider here CCl3 bonded to CHO. Again we have to be consider another CHO, another chloral. CHO bonded to CCl3. How many chlorals we have taken here? 2 moles of chloral. Undergo reaction with, once again, from ethanol. Ethanol upon oxidation gives acetaldehyde. Now that acetaldehyde reaction with Cl2. This is the Cl2. Okay, now it gives chloral. Again now that chloral, how many moles we are taking? 2 moles according to balancing we required. Because of it, chloral undergo reaction with another reagent. That is nothing but calcium hydroxide. Calcium charge plus 2, we require 2 moles of chloral. Okay, na? Right. 2 moles of chloral undergo reaction with another byproduct of bleaching powder. That is nothing but calcium hydroxide. CaOH. CaOH. CaOH taken twice. So chloral upon reaction with the compound is nothing but what, Nana? Calcium hydroxide, or we can say this procedure is called alkaline hydrolysis. Means hydrolysis takes place by using alkali medium. Hydrolysis ka meaning addition of water. In which medium? Alkali medium. What is alkali? Calcium hydroxide. I hope you understand. Good. So upon alkaline hydrolysis, bond breaking takes place between CHO and carbon, between oxygen and hydrogen, again between CCl3 and carbon. Now you see the product. CHCl3 chloroform, CHCl3 chloroform. How many moles of chloroform you are getting? You are getting 2 moles of chloroform. Good. Remaining. What is the compound? Calcium. Okay, I am writing here calcium. Calcium beta. HCOO. HCOO means in bracket we can say that HCOO taken twice means calcium formate. Sodium, okay, the calcium salt of carboxylic acid. This is a byproduct. So calcium formate is byproduct, but your main product is nothing but what, beta? Chloroform. I hope you understand. So chloroform we can prepare using bleaching powder. Using bleaching powder and ethyl alcohol, method 1. Using bleaching powder and isopropyl alcohol, method 2. Isopropyl alcohol also we have to be proceed in same way. Okay na? Right na na? So I hope samjhe na? Right. So preparation of what na? Chloroform by using ethyl alcohol and bleaching powder. What is the formula of bleaching powder? Bleaching powder formula is nothing but CaOCl2. It upon hydrolysis gives how many products? 2 products. Such 2 products, Cl2, second step we use Ka, and calcium hydroxide we are using in third step. Step 1, step 2, step 3. How many steps are involving? 3 steps. Once again. So using bleaching powder and ethanol, how to prepare the chloroform? Ethanol on oxidation gives acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde upon chlorination gives chloral. Chloral upon alkaline hydrolysis with calcium hydroxide gives chloroform. 3 steps. Again same thing. Preparation of chloroform from bleaching powder and isopropyl alcohol. वहाँ पर भी same 3 steps रहते ना. Everything is copy paste. Okay ना. That one I have given in fair notes. Try to practice that. If you are not going to understand, ask me. Okay beta? Right. So in next class we are going to be discuss the methods of distinguishing of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Tomorrow is the final topic. Good.